Okay, I want to share to you about how to make Scandinavian tiny house concept design in Sketchup. We have to use the rectangle or rotate rectangle. I will choose this rotate rectangle, and we can make the base plane of this tiny house. Then we can click this origin, and we can move the cursor to the behind around 2.6 meter and enter. And then we can move the cursor to the right side around 6 meter and enter. Okay, so this is the base of this tiny house. Now we can click this surface and push it up around 300 millimeter and enter, and triple click, right click, make group. Okay, then we can select rectangle, click from the corner until this corner with a diagonal movement. Then we can click the surface and we can push it up until 3.5 meter in here. Okay, now we can click this line and also this line. Sorry, we can add the line in here on the middle. Okay, and then after we can add the line on the middle, we can click this both of the line. Then we can select a move and move it down. We can move it down around 1 meter and enter. Okay, and after that, we can click this line. Okay, we can click this line and offset it inside around 300 millimeter, enter. Or maybe it's too large, we can offset it inside around 200 millimeter, enter. Then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, we just let this it to be a solid wall, and this is transparent wall. And we can click this line and select move, type control, click from this line until this position, then we can type 3/ and enter. Then we can extend this line with using the line tool, click from this node until this edge. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, type control, and move it up until this position. Okay, and then we can select a move, tap control, and place at this position. Okay, now we can push it to the front just a little bit, around 200 millimeter, and now we can make the door entrance in here. We can make the door entrance approximately in this position, and the height around 2.4 meter approximately. Okay, then we can select this line and we can select this line and offset it inside around 50 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can select the color. We can select the dark color in here, and also in here we can select the dark color, and we can select the gray color on this door, and we can select the glass materials in here. Okay, and after that we can select the roofing and select the metal roofing in here, so we can adjust for the materials. We can adjust with the materials editor and adjust for the saturation. We can select the hue, light, and saturation on option in here, and we can adjust about the level of darkness like this. Okay, and I will choose this one or this one. Okay, then I've already prepared the external material. I just select this pine light wood, fine. Okay, and I will adjust this materials. Okay, and then we can also adjust this one on this entrance. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can erase some unnecessary plane over there. And okay, we can click this one, and then we can click this line, select a move, type control, move it to the front around 1.8 meter, sorry, 1.8 meters. And now we can adjust the camera first. We can adjust the field of view for facilitate us to modify the interior element. Okay, now we can we can select this from this line. Okay, then we can draw the line in here. Okay, then we can draw the line in here. Okay, then we can draw the another window on the bathroom. Okay, then we can assign the materials and assign about the glazings here. Okay, then assign the materials in here also, and we can select the tiling. We can select the tile. Okay, I choose this tile. I choose this tile to be a bathroom position, and okay, now we can set the level of lightening of these materials, and then we can set the shower cabin position. We can type 1 meter. The ideal position of the shower cabin is 1 meter. Okay, then we can select the wash. We can draw the wastafel with a rectangle in here. Okay, we can draw the wastafel. This is just a simple wastafel. We can make group. Okay, then we can move it up around 75 centimeters. Then we can make the wastafel just a little bit. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe we can make it curvy on the edge to maximize the visualization of it. Okay, then we can push it up, and we can make this one. Okay, then we can make group. Okay, we can select the gray material or dark material, and we can draw the mirror in here. This is the mirror, and we can draw the toilet. I mean, we can draw the toilet, and okay. Okay, we can move it a little bit in here approximately, and we can do this one. So this is just a schematic toilet, so you can make it more details. And this is about the shower cabin. Okay, I want to make the glazing in here. Okay, I want to make the glazing, and this is about the shower. This is the shower. Okay, and this is the shower button. This is just schematic for shower button, I mean. Okay, and then this is the floor drain. So we can choose the metal. Okay, sorry, we can choose the metal. This is a simple floor drain over there. Okay, and then now we can close this with rectangle and make the door. Okay, just a little bit in here, and select the color with the dark color. And now we can select the door materials over there, and okay, we can assign about the interiors of this tiny house. Okay. Okay, so I suggest you to use the section plane to facilitate us about making the interior component in here and deactivate the section display section fill. Okay. Okay, now we can select the wood and select the wood uh, flooring materials over there. Okay, like this. And okay, so you can make the another materials. Okay, and then we can make this one. We can make the table over there. Then we can push it up around 900 millimeters and make group. Okay, so this is about the island. So you can choose and adjust about the island position, and you can select the synthetic materials. Okay, this is the island, and this is for the kitchen area. Okay, we have to adjust about the field of view camera in here to make it easy for making cabinet and much more element. Okay, and don't forget to assign with the another materials on this interior. Okay, this one. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.